In the early days of aviation, airplane windows were square. But in the 1950s, something tragic happened. A series of deadly crashes involving the de Havilland Comet revealed a critical flaw. Sharp corners on square windows caused dangerous stress points. Here's the science. When a plane is at cruising altitude, the cabin is pressurized to keep passengers comfortable. This puts stress on the aircraft's structure. Sharp corners create weak points where stress builds up, leading to cracks and structural failure. Rounded windows distribute this stress evenly, making them much safer. The tragic crashes of the de Havilland Comet changed aviation forever. Engineers realized that small design details like window shape could mean the difference between safety and disaster. That's why, today, every commercial jet has rounded windows. Windows aren't the only part of an aircraft designed for safety. Ever notice that tiny hole in the middle of the window? That's called a breather hole. It helps regulate air pressure between window panes to prevent them from fogging up or cracking. Next time you sit by the window, know that its shape isn't just for looks. It's saving lives. Aviation is full of smart engineering decisions that make flying one of the safest ways to travel. So, now you know why airplane windows are round. Did you find this fascinating? Let us know in the comments. And if you love learning about aviation, don't forget to subscribe to